Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a GoHighLevel contact form to any website. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can access all of your GoHighLevel tools and features. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Sites and click on it. This section houses all the websites you've created or manage within GoHighLevel, making it easy to access and edit any of them whenever needed. Now, locate the specific site where you want to add your contact form. On the right side of that site's listing, you'll notice 3 dots representing a menu icon. Click on those 3 dots to reveal additional options for managing that particular site. This menu gives you quick access to various site management functions. From the menu that appears, select the Edit option. This action will take you to the Site Settings page where you can make changes and adjustments to your website's configuration. It's the gateway to accessing the full editing capabilities for your site. Once you're on the Site Settings page, you'll see an Edit button prominently displayed. Click this button to launch the visual editor. This is where the real magic happens, as you'll be able to drag and drop elements directly onto your site and see changes in real time. Now that you're inside the editor, look toward the upper left corner of your screen. You'll find a plus icon there, which is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. Click on this plus icon to open up the Elements panel, which contains all the different components you can add to enhance your website's functionality. In the search field that appears, type Form. This will filter the available elements and show you form-related options. It's a quick way to find exactly what you need without scrolling through every single element available in the editor. Once the form element appears in the results, simply click and drag it onto your site. Position it wherever you'd like the contact form to appear on your page. The drag and drop functionality makes it incredibly easy to place elements exactly where you want them, giving you full control over your site's layout. After you've placed the form element on your site, click on it to select it. This will bring up the form's settings and customization options, allowing you to configure how it looks and which specific form it should display. Now, you'll see a drop-down menu appear in the Settings panel. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the forms you've previously created in GoHighLevel. This gives you the flexibility to use any existing form without having to recreate it from scratch. Select the form you want to add from the drop-down list. Once you choose your preferred form, it will automatically populate in the space where you placed the form element. The selected form will now be fully functional and ready to collect submissions from your website visitors. And that's it. Your GoHighLevel contact form is now successfully integrated into your website and ready to start capturing leads. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.